Yo! Okay. Hello, everybody. So I had an idea. I was sitting in my room, just, watching YouTube like everyone else during quarantine. And I had this idea, so I'd hop on Hypixel. You know how Hypixel has like a billion bajillion games. So, my idea was, so every single day I would, make a video about, playing a random game on Hypixel. So this is day one or part one or just playing a random game on Hypixel or like. So I'm gonna just straight up do this and then just and my eyes are going to be closed and then I'm just gonna pick something and I'm gonna play that for I don't even know how long, maybe like 10 minutes, I don't know. Anyways, so that's about how we're gonna do it. I don't know what to call this thing. Picking a random game to play on Hypixel. What do I call it? I don't know. I'll come up with a title before. Yeah, I'll come up with something, but I don't know right now. Anyways, let's hop into a game. My eyes are closed, I promised. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, well, that doesn't really work. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep circling. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Should we go for just the hype? Nah, we didn't land on it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. I'm so done. 3, 2, 1. What? I think. Did we land up? No, I don't think we did. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. UHC Champions. I guess we're playing UHC Champions. Is UHC Champions just UHC? Sounds like it. Alright. Speed UHC. Solo. Teams of 3. I don't know what to do. Let's speed. Let's go solo normal. I'm confused. What is speed UHC? Is it just you have like? Oh, is it just faster until you can go to PvP? I don't know. I don't play too much UHC. I used to grind on Flux PvP when I first started playing Minecraft on PC because, like, playing a whole bunch of UHCs and randomizers is kind of, like, good to get you going. Whoa, we have a pickaxe. Do we just have to get down from this tower or something? Okay, so I've learned in UHC you don't want to take damage. So, okay, let's see here. Let's go ahead and craft the crafting table. Sticks, yes sir. We are gonna need a few pieces of wood. Yeah, let's just get this tree and I think we'll be good to go. Sorry if I'm mining this with a pickaxe. Whoa! The whole tree came down. Yo, the whole tree came down. That's dope. If this slime hurts me, I'm gonna be mad. Thank you, sir. PvP's enabled already? Stop. Stop. I don't have a sword. What? Why is it enabled already? We've played the game for like 2 seconds. This is not fair. What is this? Slime, stop. You're supposed to be my friend. My name is Slender. Stop. No! What? Oh my, how did you iron? What? No. I'm spectating this map. There gotta be something like... Are there chests in the towers? What? Alright, well, I got 10 minutes to figure out this game. Well, actually, maybe 15 minutes. I don't know. But we're not gonna stop playing this until the video's over. So, yeah, speed UHC till I die. Or, no, Okay, I must study my landscape. See if there's, like... Oh, there was a mine right there. Did I not see it? Oh, you get like a pick. Oh, I see. Alright, GG boys. Nah, I ain't messing around no type of round no more. Oh yeah, I got a diamond pick. Sit down. Please let clean cut be on. What? Why do we get an XP bottle? Does iron just give us iron? Yes. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Thank you. Whoa, got a brewing stand and everything. Nice. This is really nice. I might need some. I'm gonna need an axe, don't I? Actually, I think we'll be okay. We don't... Well, this is speed UHC, so, like, yeah, we'll be okay. Whoa! Diamonds already? Yes, sir. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just... Ah, that's wasting sticks. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and grab these diamonds. Okay. We're going to the top. Oh, I'm lagging hard. Oh my gosh. Okay. Stop lagging. Thank you. Give me a diamond sword. No, why am I placing 2 sticks? Stop. There. Sword of the diamond. Yay. Let's go get a chest plate because we need a diamond chest plate. I mean, we just straight up need everything, okay? Okay, it looks like there's not that many diamonds, so we're just gonna get iron. Maybe get full iron. Oof, my lag. I'm not doing too good here. I think we need like 24, we need 24 iron for a full set, right? I think I'm right. If I'm wrong, that's... Game ends in 10 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes is a lot. Okay, but this UHC is kind of fast. Also, sorry if there is background noises. Oh, I gotta crouch. These kids can't find me. Okay, I think we can just make a crafting table and chill down here. Stop! Why? Okay. So dumb. Okay, you know, it would be better if there wasn't so much lag. But we're doing okay. We're at 7 minutes, so I think we can play, like, I don't know, maybe another round or so. So I think the strategy is, like, I took too much time trying to find diamonds and stuff. Just straight up get 24 iron and then just straight up get 2 diamonds and then go ham. Because I'm pretty much, you just need full iron and diamond sword and you're done. Like, that's all you need. Alright. Oh, it looks like the game isn't started because there's only 1 out of 12 people. Well, I don't want to waste our time too much, so I guess I'm just going to wait till there's 12 people. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording real quick. Catch you guys when there's 12 people. Okay, we start in, like, I don't even know. We start in 10 seconds, 11 people left. That didn't actually take too long. I could have waited. It only took, like, 5 minutes. Not 5 minutes. It took, like, 10 seconds. Anyways, we gotta go down there. We know what to do. 24 iron, 2 diamonds, go. Okay, I'm gonna start off by crafting the sticks first. There we go. Easy peasy. Mine that. Gotta focus. Focus is key, okay? No one understands how much key focus is. Like, you just don't understand. Okay. I took too long running. Give me all the iron. There. 20. Bam. That's 24. Is there a crafting table nearby? Last game there was. We can't take chances right now. We gotta make a crafting table. Alright. There we go. Let's get full iron. Alright. Yeah, 24 is the perfect number. And oh, we didn't need. We already had an iron chest plate. Okay, isn't that great? Okay, we're gonna want to take this with us. We should have made an axe, but that is honestly just too bad. Again, sorry if there are background noises. You really think I can control that? No. Well, you might not even be able to hear it. There we go. That's our diamonds. That's our diamonds right there. 1, 2. Where did the diamonds go? Oh, there they are. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna make our sword. Someone's obviously coming. I can sense it. Okay. 7 players. We've been pretty much not involved with anything. 10 minutes is a lot of time. Alright, these guys are just mad. So, I guess we are going to go up and fight people. Because my lag, honestly, it's not too bad. Yeah, you know, it's not too bad. Doop, 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 doop. Alright, where y'all at? Where these kids at? You know, actually, I'm gonna just go ahead and mine a tree real quick. Your boy's gonna go mine some gold because, whoa. I want apples. Oh, no, he wanna fight. He wanna fight. I don't care what he has. I don't care what he has. Oh, buddy. Buddy, that was a mistake. My God, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. You're getting comboed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sit down! Okay. Yay. So we got a kill. Let's pop a gap. Because we're gonna need that. Did it even let me pop it? Okay. Okay, that guy was pretty stacked. But he did give us some diamonds. And I think there are more diamonds waiting for us. Down there. The border shrinks in 30 seconds. Can't be taking those risks. Alright, let's put this like that. Okay. Gotta play smart here. We almost died on that one. Ooh, lag. You need to chill, lag. Okay, it's not the right time. Not the right time. Okay, I think everyone's over there, so I think I'm gonna just go in over. I'm not full health. I'm not healing. Do I? I need to heal. I need to heal. Why am I not healing? Oh, yeah, I forgot. On UHC, you don't heal. Alright, come on. Come on. Just heal for me. Alright, looks like that's all I'm getting. Is the border shrinking? Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's smart that I didn't go in the mine. Okay, surface players 4. Nether players. Where is everybody? Oh, wait, we can go to the nether? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, I have no choice but to fight this kid. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, bro. He had what? He got enchants. Do we just... maybe we should go to the nether next time? I don't know. Oh, dang it, we're at 13 minutes. Oh, well, I guess we're just gonna end the video, yeah? So, yeah, but guys, this is actually pretty fun. I'm glad I came up with this idea. This speed UHC was actually pretty decent. I mean, not gonna lie, I had fun making this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an outro real quick. And yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, you know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe, all that jazz. Alright, it's almost at 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and make the outro. Bang, 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 bang. Alright, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It's been fun making this video. Tomorrow we will be coming out with another random game on Hypixel. Now, yeah, UHC was pretty fun, so we're probably going to do it again sometime in the future. But yeah, this is about it from me, so I will see you guys later. Bye.